Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita and I share career tips and tricks that can help you take a step closer to the industry. Today I'm going to speak about an interesting topic around how did I make a switch from the developer relations team to technical program management. But before that, for those who are new to my channel, please make sure that you're subscribing to my channel and stay tuned for my future videos as well. So, if you're coming to my channel for the first time or if you haven't interacted with me before, let me give you a brief about myself first. I engaged and interacted and worked with the developer relations team at Google for almost a decade. My journey started as a student volunteer when I was doing my engineering, and it continued as a professional, as a community manager in the developer relations space with Google's community, such as the GDG program, the GDSC program, and the Flutter communities or the Flutter meetups. In this journey, I have learned so much about developer relations, the importance of having developer relations, and how it has benefited me as an individual as I contributed to the community in various capacities. But then, as this life was going so well, I was getting so much of experience. I was getting so much of good wishes. I was getting the opportunity to help so many that it actually made me feel fulfilled while I was growing as a professional. Then the question comes around, why did I move from developer relations to technical program management? And how did I make a switch? On the first question, I can make a detailed video in the upcoming series, but today I want to emphasize around how did I make a switch from managing Discord channels, speaking at community events, managing large scale programs and campaigns like the Google Cloud Study Jams to technical program management where I engage and unravel with Google's engineers. I manage tight schedules to ensure we have new features shipped for Google's search platform in time. So, there are three things that I feel have definitely benefited my career growth from a community manager to a technical program manager. And I will be sharing these three secrets with all of you today. The first one is, as I was working with the developer relations team, I had the opportunity to interact with lots of developers. This is where I understood what do developers want. I understood how do developers work. I understood how do developers want their products and user platforms to be, which definitely gave me the benefit of understanding the personas I am currently working with in my experience as a technical program manager, which is the engineers themselves. Along with that, the experience that counted the most is, although you saw me into a lot of front facing role, behind the scenes, there were a lot of operations that I managed, right from managing projects and programs to also building platforms and products that many of you used. For example, if you had applied for the GDSC lead position and had appeared for the diagnostic test, engineering the platform behind, planning what features would benefit the engagement on the test platform that many of you had interacted with, to actually working on the portal where you could schedule your interviews while you were in your journey to become a GDSC lead. I had the opportunity to pioneer all of this. This definitely gave me the experience to understand what do developers want, how can they benefit the most, how can I build products that can benefit more users, and also help me understand how to plan and scale engineering solutions. The second thing that definitely helped in my favor was one of the Coursera courses that I took in my free time. I can link that course in the description in case you are also curious about how can you make a journey into project management or program management in the future. That course is the foundation to get started with project management concepts and foundations. The third thing that benefited me was a long term education course that I took, which was my executive MBA, which I pursued for 2 years. Now, this is where I had the opportunity to first learn more about how do businesses work, understand more about organization strategies. Second, I had the opportunity to learn more about project management concepts in depth. Perhaps I was familiar with a lot of concepts, but understanding the definitions, the formal way of how these concepts are used and represented was where my MBA definitely helped me. Now, you might be curious, how are these applicable into a technical program management role? Specifically, why do you need to understand how do organizations work? What are different organization strategies that help me get into a technical program management role? So remember, in the previous videos as well, I have covered that in a technical program management role, you need to understand how do organizations work, how do businesses work. You need to understand the strategies well, so that you can correlate those into something called as OKRs, which is objectives and key results, which is the key and primary role that every technical program manager, specifically at Google, take care of and drive ownership with. So that's all for today's video, where I have shared a lot of information around how did I make a switch from community management to technical program management. If you have more questions around this switch, please drop them in the comment below. And remember to subscribe to my channel. That definitely motivates me to bring more such videos for you in the future. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.